Guys, we're charging up this remote control from the 908. You know when the batteries are dead, it won't respond to nothing. Look at the lights, boy. This takes no batteries at all. All you can do is charge it up. Can't put batteries in there at all in this like remote. Looks cool, oh boy. My mobile charger, fast charger for Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra Plus.
Very expensive steak. She decided she didn't like
Yeah, it's charging up now. When it's finished charging, that'll just be solid, the white light. It's cool, man, this remote. I really like it, boy. It's quite smart. Like the way the keys appear. Awesome, man. Cheers.